Hello friends, this is the dashboard of the Galla app, and today we will learn to export employee related data. So here we have the option employees. Click on this. Alright, so now the data like last name, first name, role, username, everything will display here. Now if you want to export the data, click on this icon, choose the format, and the data will be exported and saved to the desktop. Now let's say if you want to make some changes in the existing data, click on this pan icon. Alright, now here you can make the changes. Alright. Let's make some changes in this. Click on save. So that's how you update the existing employee data. Hope this helps you. Thank you.